Welcome to online lecture series in organic chemistry, and today I am going to start new chapter, that is chemistry of 18 group elements. Now first of all we will discuss about the comparative chemistry of elements of group 18 elements. In 18th group there are 6 elements, namely helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. And these 6 elements exist as a monoatomic gases. These gases earlier they were called as a rare gases or inert gases, but both the terms are nowadays these are not used. So they were called rare gases because it was felt that they occur in the nature in very minute quantities, and they also called inert gases because their chemical behavior was very or chemical reactivity was very less. They were chemically inert and therefore they were called inert gases. And most important thing is, nowadays they are no longer they are called as rare or inert gases. Okay, so recent researchers have proved that they are no longer rare and or inert, as they are now found to exist in nature in considerable quantities and form chemical compounds under specific conditions. They are now referred as a noble gases because they are comparatively less chemically reactive. So this is about the comparative chemistry of these elements of group 18 elements. So earlier they were called as a rare gases or inert gases. Nowadays they are called as noble gases. Now next is historical perspectives of these noble gases. Now in 1894 Lord Rayleigh observed that the nitrogen isolated from atmosphere was found to have a density 0.45 heavier than the nitrogen which is prepared chemically by the decomposition of ammonium nitrate, and therefore Rayleigh identified a new element, that is argon, in the residue left after the heating atmospheric nitrogen and magnesium. So in the year 1894 argon it was discovered by Lord Rayleigh. Then in the year 1895 the existence of helium in the atmosphere was pointed out by Kaiser, and later on Ramsay identified this element as a helium on earth crust or on the earth atmosphere. Later on in the year 1898 3 new elements were isolated by Ramsay and Travers by low temperature distillation of liquid air. The elements were named as a neon, krypton and xenon, which are characterized by special analysis. Then in the year 1902 Rutherford and Soddy isolated radon from the the radioactive minerals. So in the year 1904 Lord Rayleigh was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics for the investigation on gas densities and discovery of argon. Ramsay was awarded Nobel Prize in Chemistry for the discovery of inert gas elements in air and their place in the periodic table. So this is about the historical perspectives of noble gases. Now regarding the occurrence of inert gases, the inert gases always occur in Earth's atmosphere to the extent of 1%. The chief component of noble gas, it is the argon. The percentage by volume of various noble gases in atmosphere: helium, its percentage by volume in atmosphere is 0.0005, neon 0.0015, argon approximately 1, so 0.932, krypton 0.0001, and xenon 0.00001. So most important thing is the helium occurs in natural gas along with some minerals also it occur, that is some minerals like monazite, pitch blende. Helium also occur in sun's atmosphere, so it is constantly produced by the thermonuclear reaction in stars involving the nuclear fusion reaction, that is hydrogen, it is continuously converted into helium and tremendous amount of heat is generated during this fusion reaction. Helium consists of two important isotopes, or it exists in two important isotopic forms, helium-4 and helium-3. Helium-4 is formed by alpha decay of radioactive elements, and helium-3 it is formed by nuclear reactions induced by cosmic radiations. Now neon, it is present to the extent of about 18 ppm by volume in dry air. Argon, the most abundant noble gas in the air, it is formed in air mostly by electron capture of potassium. This is the electron capture reaction. So potassium 40, when there is a electron capture, then there is a formation of argon. Then radon. Actually before that, one more thing about the argon is the world production of argon is over 7 into 10⁵ tons per year. Now radon is the radioactive and it is produced by the decay of radium and thorium minerals. So this is about the radioactive decay reaction. Radon, this radon, it is formed from radium by radioactive decay. So this is about the occurrence of inert gases, or regarding comparative chemistry, then historical perspectives and occurrence of inert gases. So in next video we are going to discuss about the isolation of inert gases from air.